Hello po, good day po sa inyong lahat at sana'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at patnubayan po ng ating poong may kapal ang bawat isa sa atin.
Mark Joseph Cruz, affectionately known as MJ, recently achieved a significant milestone by being named the second runner-up in the prestigious Ginoong Pilipinas 2024 competition. His journey to this accomplishment has been marked by determination, grace, and unwavering commitment to excellence. MJ embodies the qualities of a true Maginoo, gentleman, not just through his participation in pageantry but also in his everyday life. Known for his dedication and hard work, MJ is also a successful entrepreneur who knows how to sell low-key apparel, a brand that resonates with those who appreciate subtlety and quality in fashion. Despite the recent challenges posed by Typhoon Karina, which brought heavy rains and disruptions, MJ's spirit remains unshaken. His resilience and positive outlook are inspirational as he continues to engage with his community and supporters. MJ often shares his hopes for better weather, saying, "Sana ganito na lang yung weather, hindi masyadong maulan," expressing his wish for calmer, less rainy days ahead. Beyond his public achievements, MJ is deeply rooted in his family values. His industrious nature and love for his parents are evident in everything he does. He stands as a role model for many, demonstrating that true success comes from hard work, humility, and loving heart. Keep safe, everyone, and remember, a true Maginoo knows how to weather any storm with grace and strength. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Hinihiling ko ang inyong tulong sa pag-like, pagkomento at pagbahagi ng aking munting channel. Pagpalain kayo ng may kapal sa inyong kabutihan at pagmamalasakit. Bye-bye!